Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. This is Keaton.
And this is Riley.
And we're here with a podcast-style bulletin. The Winter Letter Campaign has become a popular act of kindness at BHS. Last Wednesday, over 50 students came to the library after school to handwrite messages and cards designed by students in Mrs. Wagner's art classes. Each staff and student at BHS will receive a card this week. Look at this list of artists who designed the cards. Thank you, Jalen, Michelle, Sydney, Maya, Katie, William, Gina, Ginny, Elijah, Isaac, Angel, Rianne, Tatum, Tessa, Hope, Charlene, Sarah, and Tim. If you see these students, please congratulate them on a job well done, and thank you to Mrs. Wagner for leading the design effort.
The students who participated in writing the messages in the cards are too numerous but to mention by name. But we want you all to know how much we are appreciated. Your gift of time and thoughtfulness brings joy to our community. On Saturday, the BHS cheerleaders performed in a state qualifier event at Auburn Mountain View High School. The team competed in the small traditional tumbling division against 8 other teams and earned an invitation to participate in the state competition in February. BHS Cheer has not competed in this division since 2014. Congratulations, Cheer.
Did you dress up for Winter Spirit Week? Your class can use your help in class competition. Here are the themes for the rest of the week. Tomorrow will be Soccer Mom versus Barbecue Dad with the alternate color blue. Wednesday will be Babies versus Boomers with the...
Stop. Just pick it up from tomorrow will be...
Okay. Tomorrow will be Soccer Mom versus Barbecue Dads with the alternate color blue. Wednesday will be Babies versus Boomers with the alternate color green. Thursday will be Glitter versus Goth with the alternate color purple.
Come support our school music program at the Holiday Choir concert tomorrow night from 7 to 8:30. This free concert will feature performances with the MVMS Choir alongside BHS Concert Choir, Night Sounds, Shining Knights, and the 13th Street Jazz Choir. The concert is open to the community in the BHS Performing Arts Center.
Wednesday night, the BHS Performing Arts Center will be hosting Navy Band Northwest for their annual winter concert. If you haven't been to a Navy Band concert, they are fantastic musicians and always present a great concert. This year, a number of musicians from the BHS Band have been invited to join them on a few songs. So, this Wednesday evening, head down to the Performing Arts Center for a free Navy Band Northwest concert and support some night musicians while you're at it. The concert begins at 6 o'clock.
The BHS NJROTC students, Night Company will be having their annual inspection this Wednesday. All of the BHS cadets will be involved in the personnel inspection with the Quest inspector. The Knights bowling team is currently tied for second in the Olympic League. The bowlers will travel to Laurel Lanes today to play Port Angeles in a battle to stay in second place. Bowlers, looks like you will be dismissed at 12:30 for your 12:45 departure time. Good luck today, bowlers.
Mr. Swanson is leading a group for senior planning to attend Olympic College. The OC group meets twice a month. Find out about financial aid. The OC Promise Scholarship, orientation and advising, and more. Sign up in the counseling office and find more information in the Google Classroom. The join code is right there on the screen.
It's
Birthday time.
Look at all these Knights.
There's like 6.
Way too many. Okay. Good luck, girls bowling today, and have a good day, Knights.
Go Knights.
Go Knights.